my channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Today's video will be a recapitulation of the topics we have covered in MySQL. So we will be covering the topics as creation of database, creation of table within a given database, insertion of data into the table, and so on. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, creation of database and table. So using the query create database student underscore details 1 to create the database, use student underscore details 1 to use the database in the following query. Now, to create a table within the given database using create table syntax, create table student underscore details within bracket stdid as first column, integer is the data type and the key is the primary key, followed by std name, second column, data type varchar 20, class data type integer, marks data type float, gender data type varchar 20, email id data type varchar 255, class underscore teacher data type varchar 20, followed by address data type varchar 255. Close the bracket followed by a semicolon. Run the query to create the table. To insert data into the table using insert into statement, insert into student underscore details values within bracket the datas followed by semicolon. Using 6 insert into statement to insert 6 data set to the table. Inserting first set of data integer without single quote, string values within the single quote. Run the query to get the first set of data into the table. Similarly, insert other datas to the table and run the query. Select asterisk from student underscore details to see the table. Now, to add a column to the table using alter table syntax, alter table student underscore details, add column date of birth date. Here, date of birth is the new added column and date is the data type. Run the query to see the result and see another column is added. To add details to the added column using update syntax, update student underscore details, set date of birth equals to within inverted commas 1997-08-05 where std equals to 1. Here, date of birth is the new added column and where clause is used to specify in which column the data needs to be inserted. Similarly, use similar commands to update remaining 5 rows. Here you can see second data is truncated. It's because I have inserted wrong data format, so changing it to 1998-08-22. Now it's rectified. To change or modify the data type of a column using the syntax alter table student underscore details modify column std underscore name varchar 255. Here the column std underscore name, the data type is converted to varchar 255. To drop a column from the table, alter table student underscore details drop column date of birth. Here the date of birth column is to be dropped. To rename a table, the syntax is alter table student underscore details rename to student underscore table. Here the new table name is caps student underscore table. To rename a column, syntax is alter table student underscore table change class underscore teacher class teacher varchar 255. Here the old column name is class underscore teacher and the new column name is class teacher. The data type is varchar 255. To delete data from the table, delete from student underscore table where std underscore id equals to 6. Here the sixth column details is deleted from the table. Next is the truncate syntax. Truncate table student underscore table. In this case, the data from the table is deleted, but the structure of the table remains the same. Last but not the least is the drop table syntax. Drop table student underscore table. Here the entire student underscore table is deleted. So that's all for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.